Okay, construction of ellipse through oblong method. Okay, construct oblong method ellipse. Okay, where the major axis is 100 mm and minor axis 80 mm. Okay, construct oblong method ellipse through given measurements. Okay, first of all, with the help of your drafter, measure, draw 100 mm line which is equals to major axis. Okay, draw 100 mm line which is equals to major axis. Okay, this is 100 mm line. Next you have to draw minor axis which is equals to 80 mm. That means 40 mm. Find the midpoint of major axis. 100 mm means at 50 mm point lies. Next 40 mm above and 40 mm below. Why? Because both axes, okay, both major and minor axes intersect their midpoint only. Okay, next this is AB major axis, and CD minor axis. Okay, AB major axis and CD minor axis. Let's form a rectangular. Okay, AB, draw from A, draw which is equal, the height is equals to minor axis, and from this point draw 100 mm, the length is equals to major axis, draw height 80 mm. Next join these all things. Okay, join these all. Okay, here we have a rectangular. Okay, the height is equals to, the minor axis height is equals to 80 mm, the length of the major axis is equals to 100 mm. Okay, we have a rectangular here. Okay, next this is point C and point D. Okay, which is the minor axis. Point A to B, the length of the major axis. Okay, we have 4 box here. Okay, we have 4 rectangles here. Okay, next first of all divide this 2 lines. Okay, this is a bisecting line AB. Divide this place into 3 lines, 3 parts. This is 3 parts. Okay, 3 or 4 parts, whatever you want. Okay, with the help of your drafter, okay, with the help of your drafter or scale, divide 3 equal parts. Okay, divide 3 equal parts. Okay, name it as 1, 2, 3. Okay, next bottom side. Okay, major axis bottom side, divide 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. Okay, name it as 1, 1 dash, 2 dash and 3 dash. Okay, next thing, this side, okay, above the major axis, divide this line into 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. Next bottom side, divide 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. Okay, name it as this A, B, C. Okay, here bottom side A dash, B dash and C dash. Okay, next divide this major axis. Okay, divide this major axis. Okay, this side 3 equal parts and this side 3 equal parts. Okay, next I am dividing this 3 equal parts. Okay, next from this side divide 3 equal parts. Okay, next thing, name it as 1. Here we have 1 and 2, 3. Okay, from here A, B and C. Okay, next with the help of your scale, okay, this is C. Okay, above this is the major axis, minor axis, sorry, this is minor axis C and this is D. Okay, from C, okay, from C joint above this above major axis point C2 1, okay, C2 2, okay, C2 3. Okay, next from this side C2A, okay, C2A and C2B and C2C. Okay, the next from bottom side join this bottom equal parts D21, okay, D21 and D22 and D23, okay, D21, D22, D23. Next join this sides, okay, from D join these equal parts from this side, okay, D2A, okay, D2A, next D2B, next D2C dash, okay, C2 1 2 3 C2 ABC, okay, D2 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash and D2 A dash B dash C dash, okay. Next, okay, with the help of your scale from C, okay, draw a line from C passing through this major axis equal parts at one point, okay, passing through this major axis equal points at one point, okay, from C passing through 1, join this D1 dash line, okay, first line up to the line intersects 1 dash from 1, okay, from 2 C as the center, from C draw a line from 2 up to the line touches the D2 line, okay, up to the line touches the D2 line. Next draw a line from C through 3 up to the line touches the D3 line, okay, up to the line touches the D3 line. This is C1, okay, this is C1 line passing through 1 dash, this is C2 dash line passing through 2, this is C3 up to the line reaches 3, okay. Next, okay, this side, okay, another side from C, okay, draw a line from A up to the line touches A dash, okay, up to the line touches A dash, okay. Next from C draw a line through B up to the line touches B dash, okay. Next draw a line from C passing through C up to the line touches C dash, okay. Next, okay, next from bottom side, from point D bottom side, okay, draw a line from 1 up to the line touches 1, okay. Next draw a line from 2 up to the line touches D2 line, okay. Draw a line from 3 up to the line touches the third line, okay. Next thing, repeat the same from here, okay. Draw a line D2A, okay, draw a line D2A up to the line touches this CA line, okay. Next draw a line from B up to the line touches B, okay. Draw a line from C, okay, up to the line touches C, okay. Next name those intersection point, okay. This one intersection point, okay, 1 dash intersection point P1, this is P2 and this is P3, okay. Next bottom side, this is P1 dash and this is P2 dash and this is P3 dash, okay. Next thing, this side, this is Q1, okay, this is Q1, this is Q2 and this is Q3. Bottom side Q1 dash, this is Q3 dash and this point is Q2 dash, this is Q3 dash, okay. Next join these intersection points, okay, join these intersection points, okay, from A, okay, from A joint A to P1 and P2 and P3 up to the minor axis height C, okay. Next from C join this intersection point up to B, okay, join this intersection point up to B, okay, join this intersection point up to B. From bottom side, okay, bottom side below the major axis, join these intersection points. Okay, join this intersection point up to B, up to D. Okay, next from D, join these intersection points, join this intersection point up to B. Okay, this, okay, when we draw a curve passing through these intersection points, okay, we'll get the required ellipse. Okay, we'll get the required ellipse through oblong method. Okay, this is oblong or rectangular ellipse. Okay, oblong or rectangular ellipse. Okay, oblong or rectangular ellipse. Okay, mention this height of the minor axis and mention this length of the major axis. Okay, the height of the minor axis is 80 mm. Next, the length of the major axis, the length of the major axis is 100 mm. This is the procedure to construct an ellipse through oblong method. Thank you.